on a cool, misty morning. What's better than having your breakfast cooked on a rocket stove? Nice cup of tea. That's all it is. You want to turn the heat up? You just push the stick in a bit more. Nearly done. Gonna make some more tea. Literally just put the right amount of water in the kettle for a cup. You don't want to boil more water than you need. So literally 2 minutes and it's done. The end result might not look pretty, but it's going to taste good. Bit of salt and pepper. That kettle, literally 3 minutes, is boiling. Next cup of tea. Can't start the day without 2 cups of tea. Okay. Yay. Yeah, breakfast a la rocket stove.